everyone, and welcome back to Uh-Oh, She's in the Kitchen. So if you guys are hosting the Super Bowl this year, or if you need something to bring to a crowd, this video is the perfect video for you guys to watch because I will be sharing my top 3 easiest appetizers to bring to a Super Bowl or to a crowd. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it.
Recipe 1, Cranberry Jalapeno Cream Cheese Dip. I'm starting off with a block of cream cheese, soften. Now I'm using my handheld mixer to smooth the cream cheese. Now I'm adding jalapeños, red onion, chives or green onion, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and now I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. I'm going to give this a good mix. This dip is creamy, sweet, and a little spicy, perfect for any crowd. Now I'm adding the cranberry sauce. The full video will be linked down below in the description box for this recipe. Recipe 2, ham and cheese sliders. Cut the sweet rolls in half. Place the bottom half onto a pan. We're going to add ham as our first layer. Then we're going to add some cheese. I'm using pepper jack cheese. And I will add 2 layers of this pepper jack cheese to make these sliders more cheesy. Then we're going to top off with more ham. And then we're going to add the top of the sweet rolls. Now we're going to melt some butter and add some chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. We're going to give that a good mix. Now here I'm going to brush the butter on top. Now we're going to cover our sweet rolls with aluminum foil, and they're going to go into the oven until the cheese is nice and melted. I will have the video linked down below in the description box for you guys to see the entire video. And there you have it, your ham and cheese sliders. Recipe 3, baked chicken tacos. Place chicken breast onto a baking dish. Then we're going to add some olive oil. We're going to add black beans, some roasted petit tomatoes, red onions, all your seasonings, and some chipotle peppers. We're going to give this a good mix. This recipe will also be linked down below in the description box. Now we're going to pop this into the oven. Now we're going to shred our chicken, and it should look something like this. On another baking dish, we're going to place our taco shells. I'm using the standing taco shells. Now we're going to fill our taco shells with the chicken. Now I'm topping my tacos with shredded cheese. I'm using a Mexican blend. These baked tacos are so easy to make, and they're such a crowd pleaser. Now we're gonna place these tacos back into the oven until the cheese is all melted, and they should look something like this.
Well, there you have it, my 3 easiest Super Bowl appetizers. I love these appetizers because they're just so easy to make, they're so flavorful, and they're such a crowd pleaser. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the links to these 3 videos down below in the description box. Please let me know in the comment section if you guys did try one of these recipes and how it turned out. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone!